We've just arrived in the Galapagos Islands at the port at San Cristobal, waiting for our agent to come and join us. So the process here is you have to use a local agent. First thing that happens is the officials come and get on your boat and they check out many things. So they check out the food that you've got on board, they check out the sanitation facilities, they check out how clean it is. They ask you a whole bunch of questions to make sure that your boat is okay to stay in the Galapagos Islands. Just had our very first seal come and say hello for the trip, so that was quite exciting. They'll probably be quite a nuisance by the end of the trip, but for right now they are super cute. Very nice. Did I wake you up?
One of the things that excited us when we got here was the sea lions. They're really cute, curious, but we found yesterday that they can be quite aggressive. Last night we had one come up here and we thought, oh, that's nice and cute, and I was just sitting on the step just there reading, and I just sort of leant over and it like almost attacked me. It tried to stick its head through here and bite me. We decided we didn't want them on the back steps because they just stain everything. This is all brown, and our bed is just here. Our head is like literally just there. So we can hear them cough and burp and yeah, move around. All the rope here is to stop them from getting into the cockpit. And more importantly, we want to try and get them to stop coming up on the back step. I really like the idea of a cute little sea lion just sleeping up here peacefully. Like, that'd be a cool thing, but unfortunately reality doesn't quite line up with my fantasy.
We've been in San Cristobal now for 3 days, and we've spent a bit of that time getting to do some touristy things, to see the interpretation centre here, which has got a lot of the history of the Galapagos Islands, current issues and other interesting facts. And then we've been to a couple of the beaches around here which have been really nice. It's super hot right now, so it's a bit difficult doing activities, especially walking in the middle of the day. Given that it's so expensive to come here, we were really hoping to do mostly independent activities, which are largely free, but we decided today that it'd be a real shame to be here and not get to see as much of the animals up close and personal as you do on some of the organised tours. So tomorrow we're heading on a full day tour around the island to have a look at some giant tortoises, a breeding sanctuary, look at some of the local birds and visit a couple of other sites, and also booked in a dive tour for the next day to a place called Kika Rock, which we sailed past on the way here, which is supposed to be excellent diving.
As you see, they're toothless. Oh wow, he got upset. He got definitely upset.
That's really bright. I just heard a seal fart. It's pretty funny. It was like, and it smelled really fishy.
Bless you.
Right there?
Are you alright?
Just trying to have some fun. Oh, boom! That was like a 4-person synchronized boom. We've got our first liverboard seal who's made it into the cockpit. He's in for a rude shock because...
Hey buddy. I think you know you're not supposed to be here. I think you need to move.
Doesn't even have strength to like put up a decent cry. We just got to the boat after a nice dinner out, a rare occasion, and we found 2 seals in the cockpit. They left us some presents.
It is just disgusting here. There is shit all over the floor. There's hair all over all the cushions, all over the table, and it's just filthy. Yay. Thanks, seals.